Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Codes DTCs P0171, P0172, P0174, and P0175 relate to the fuel system's performance in the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. Specifically, DTC P0171 indicates a lean condition in the rear bank, bank 1, while P0172 indicates a rich condition in the same bank. Similarly, DTC P0174 refers to a lean condition in the front bank, bank 2, and P0175 signals a rich condition in bank 2. These conditions can arise from various sources, such as fuel delivery issues, air-fuel mixture problems, or sensor failures. Accurate troubleshooting is essential to locating the root cause of these DTCs. The challenge lies in understanding the interaction between various engine management components and ensuring that they are operating optimally. Effective diagnosis often requires careful examination of the vehicle's fuel system and related sensors. The DTCs P0171, P0172, P0174, and P0175 all revolve around the fuel delivery system within the Honda Odyssey. The main components involved include the fuel pressure regulator, mass airflow (MAF) sensor, intake manifold, absolute pressure (MAP) sensor, and air-fuel sensors. Bank 1 corresponds to cylinders on one side of the engine, while Bank 2 corresponds to the other side. Fuel delivery is crucial for maintaining the optimal air-fuel ratio for combustion. If this ratio is disrupted, it leads to either a lean condition where there is too much air, or a rich condition where there is too much fuel. These issues primarily stem from vacuum leaks, faulty sensors, or inadequate fuel pressure. Locating these components may require reviewing the vehicle's service manual for their precise locations, especially around the engine's intake manifold and fuel delivery areas. The underlying causes for the DTCs P0171, P0172, P0174, and P0175 are usually rooted in either vacuum leaks or issues with fuel pressure. A vacuum leak can drastically alter the air-fuel ratio, leading to a lean condition. On the other hand, fuel pressure issues can result in either inadequate fuel delivery or excessive fuel, manifesting as rich conditions. MAF and MAP sensors may give erroneous readings if they are malfunctioning, contributing to DTC emergence. Additionally, poor fuel quality may exacerbate these conditions, affecting engine performance. Addressing these causes often requires a systematic approach to diagnosing each component and ensuring it operates as designed. Symptoms related to DTCs P0171, P0172, P0174, and P0175 may manifest as poor engine performance, which includes hesitation during acceleration or a general lack of power. Drivers might notice the vehicle struggling to maintain speed or difficulty launching from a standstill. The check engine light, CEL, will be illuminated on the dashboard, indicating that there is an issue with the engine's performance. Another common symptom is rough idling, where the engine feels like it is vibrating or shaking while at rest. These symptoms often lead to driver concerns regarding the vehicle's reliability and safety. Ignoring these indicators can lead to further engine complications, making timely diagnosis critical. The initial step in troubleshooting DTCs P0171, P0172, P0174, and P0175 involves checking the fuel pressure. An accurate measurement is essential to determine if the fuel system is delivering the correct amount of fuel for combustion. If the pressure is normal, proceed to the next steps as indicated in the troubleshooting guide to further narrow down potential issues. If the fuel pressure is too high, it typically indicates a malfunctioning fuel pressure regulator, which should be replaced. However, if the pressure is too low, the diagnostics should focus on potential restrictions within the fuel pump, fuel lines, fuel filter, or fuel pressure regulator. These components must be thoroughly inspected to identify and resolve any underlying issues. The second step in troubleshooting these DTCs is to check for vacuum leaks, which can significantly disrupt the air-fuel mixture. Key areas to inspect include the positive crankcase ventilation PCV valve, PCV hose, and the EVAP canister purge valve. Additionally, it's important to examine the throttle body, intake manifold, brake booster hose, and air intake duct for any leaks. These components are often susceptible to wear and can create unmetered air, leading to a lean condition. If any of these parts show signs of failure or damage, they should be repaired or replaced accordingly. Once these checks are complete, continue with the subsequent steps in the troubleshooting process to ensure the engine operates correctly. After completing all necessary repairs, based on the diagnostic steps for DTCs P0171, P0172, P0174, and P0175, it's essential to perform a final verification. Start by clearing the stored DTCs from the vehicle's computer. Follow this by conducting a test drive to ensure that all repairs have been effective and the vehicle operates normally. During the test drive, monitor for any unusual engine behavior or warning lights. On completion of the test drive, perform a final scan for DTCs to confirm that no additional issues have reappeared. This step ensures the reliability of the repairs and confirms that the air-fuel mixture is now being managed properly. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in avoiding issues related to DTCs P0171, P0172, P0174, and P0175. Regular inspections of the fuel system and engine sensors can help catch problems before they escalate into more serious issues. It is essential to check fuel quality consistently, as poor fuel can lead to the aforementioned Diagnostic Trouble Codes. Replacement of fuel filters and ensuring that all vacuum hoses and components are in good condition can also prevent future DTC occurrences. Additionally, keeping the engine tuned and performing regular maintenance checks will promote optimal performance. Implementing these preventive measures can significantly enhance the longevity and reliability of the Honda Odyssey. In summary, troubleshooting DTCs P0171, P0172, P0174, and P0175 requires a structured approach focusing on the vehicle's fuel system and potential sensor issues. Following each troubleshooting step meticulously is vital for accurate diagnostics. It's crucial to ensure that all engine components are functioning as intended, as both lean and rich conditions can have significant impacts on performance. Implementation of preventive maintenance strategies will help mitigate potential problems and provide a smoother driving experience. Ultimately, proper attention to these DTCs not only enhances vehicle reliability, but also contributes to better fuel economy and overall engine health. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.